Hey, hello, welcome. In this video, I'm going to share with you the sales call mindset you want to have when conducting a sales call. So, before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below with your thoughts, where you're from, or anything you feel like sharing, as I will try my best to answer the questions. So, the sales call mindset you want to have. And as you saw the thumbnail of this video, it's no push, no push. And what I meant by that is that when you are conducting a professional sales call, especially in the beginning stages when you don't know what you're doing, you're pushing. You're trying to get that person to move on and buy whatever that you have to sell. For beginners and people that don't know any better, that's what they do. And I did this back in the day as well. Now, instead of going that route, because sales basically it's collaborating with people to find out what their problems are that they were not even aware of it. And so you're not trying to sell anything. It's more a qualification process, and one that you are listening and digging deep and finding out, asking questions about the problem that the person have, and just making it clear to the person that these are the issues and that there is solutions for it. And you don't have to be pushy at all. That way, when you go this way of the mindset of collaborating with a prospect and not thinking about the sale at all, but actually listening to the person and understanding, collaborating with them, then what happens is the people on the other side will start to pull you in. They're the ones that want to work with you. They're pulling you in because you're asking them questions related to the things that they themselves don't even know that existed, were not even aware of it. And now that they are aware, they know that this can help them. So it's about collaborating, and the prospect will start pulling you in. And to achieve this, you need to be, when you conduct a professional sales call, you want to first, even before going to the call, you want to be in a peaceful state. You want to be calm and just collaborate and ask the right questions. Because you want to sell them what they want and you want to give them what they need. Because people want things, but they don't know that is required them to do certain things to achieve what they want. And so when you are selling, it's like on a sales call, you never selling. That's why marketing, it's so connected with sales, because in your marketing, as you're building content, you are overcoming objections and concerns that people have. You're already doing that through your content, so that when they hop on the call, basically, again, you're collaborating, you're learning about them, you're listening to them, paying close attention, and simply ask them, what would you like to do? And so what you're doing on the call basically is you're digging deep, you're finding out about their pain points. You want to ask why multiple times. Why is it that they are where they are? Why the things that they're doing, why they feel it's not working? And just go deeper and deeper and deeper. And the deeper you can go, the better you can understand them and the better you can collaborate with them. And then you want to paint the pictures to where they want to go and make it clear with the things that they didn't even know that it was required in order for them to achieve. And so then when you do this, when you dig deep and then you paint the picture to where they want to go, then everything becomes easy and you're not being pushy. You're not trying to make a sell. All you're doing is collaborating, right? And that changes the whole game on sales. And therefore, when doing like this, you simply get more people working with you, happier customers, because you are collaborating and not just pushing and just for the sake of making the sell. And that's all you have in your head is, okay, I want to make this sell. You need to really shift the mindset into not selling, but collaborating. All right, and there we go. I hope that was helpful. And if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. And if you did not like it, you can smash the other button around. And leave your thoughts below in the comment section. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Below the video, I will leave a link with resources and training, free training, and also up here in the video where you can find trainings on building your own coaching business online, service-based business, a lot of strategy that I have there, and you can grab it for free. It's in the description below. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next Friday.